everybody. Today in science, I'm going to teach you something new. It's about a seed. And I'm going to teach you part of a seed. And we're going to make a fun experiment today. Every plant, but not quite plant, because some do not use seeds to grow. The seeds actually can look like this. Or bean. A bean can also grow into a beanstalk and it tastes very good. Also, it tastes good for our health. Here, and do you know, it's very hard. Almost if you even close it, can't broke. You know, inside is a small thing. This is called a baby plant. And this is very hard to protect the baby plant. But you know, it's so hard. How can I go out? You know, plants need water. That's why when you plant a seed into the dirt, the plant is still punching out, kicking, trying to get out. You want to see the new world. So to help the baby plant, we need to water every day. Because when the water comes to the seed, it begins to soften it down. And the baby can punch in and get out to the new world. Once it gets to the new world, it will look like this. This is the dirt. And we will have, again, this is just a leaf. Maybe a flower on top. Some is not a flower, but some does. And here, you may be noticing, what is this? This is called a root. And a root, you mean that when you water, the moisture can't come up without a root. So I said, do not pick the flowers. They're poor. They're already dead. Don't do that. That's not good. Here, when you water, the moisture and the water get underneath in the root, inside the very small thing in the root called root hairs. And root hairs take the water up and to the root, and root carries up to the veins. And as you know, inside the leaf, you see the color of the leaf is green. And green inside the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is the strongest part in the plant. It never stops working. When the water and the sunshine and the nutrients came, the chlorophyll will work for the leaf, and the leaf will make food for the plant. So, and the flower made seeds. That's why when the bee lands on the flower, pollen stick to their feet. And when the bee fly, the pollen stuck to other flower, making seeds. Here, so the roots, it came up. But as you know, why do some leaf trees change color in the autumn? I mean the fall. You know why? The chlorophyll is not here anymore. Because let's just say, how to plant a plant that says for water and for sunshine, and for nutrients and winds and some little plant food. Why are they brown? They're not green. Mostly plants are green. Why don't they green? Did you notice I put too fast? That means I put it a little less than the others. That's right. It's sunshine. And without sunshine, the chlorophyll cannot make food. That means it began to break down. Let's say for snow, for example. When the snow lands on the leaf, the chlorophyll is rock, so it can't come up. The nutrients can't come to the veins for the leaf to make food. Just like that. One thing too, because it don't have sunshine in order to make food for the plant. So the chlorophyll breaks down. The color of the leaf breaks down too, and the color inside leaf comes out. That means the chlorophyll is covering up the color, and inside came a beautiful color, yellow, purple, pink, yellow, red, and orange. These such beautiful leaves. And those are not called dead leaves. My gosh, they're so prettiful. They should be dead. Well, they're called dead because the chlorophyll is no longer strong. So it's like that. But another thing happened here. When the leaf is in the ground, the leaf and the wind drew and dropped the ground. Here, when the rain hits it, moisture covers it deep into the ground. I mean the dirt, the soil, and it gets nutrients, and it will make a new tree to be alive. And I think the leaf that is dead will be in the Holy Spirit tree. I think it's like that. Scientists have not believed like that, but that's the end. Oh, forgot about the experiment. First, let's say a bean seed, a black bean seed, because of like a green bean seed are a little hard to plant. So let's say black one, because the black one are easier to plant. So now, what you do, a big jar, just a kind of glass jar or something, I don't know. Put some dirt in it. Then now you can open the dirt and plant the seed on and water and wait it every day. It can be a little bit hard, but it takes time to grow. Like this. If it don't work, put an onion on. It's onion. I don't know how to eat onion. I hate garlic. Here, like onion. Put an onion on. This tastes a little good for the plant to go up. But if that even doesn't work, took the seed out. Took a bowl. Then took a paper towel. But it must be very, very wet. Put the seed on and scrub up the seed, the cloth of paper and put it into the jar and place the lid over it, but don't glide it yet, just put it on. Or you can put half of the lid on for the plant to have nutrients from the sunshine to get in. So it's like that. Because when I tried this, the first time I put the onion and the dirt on, it still didn't work. So my dad planted to have that. When I opened, oh, a big plant is here. Roots are going here. And next, when it worked, take the plant out carefully, put your bowl back and put it in. Now you have your own plant, but it should take time. So be careful to wait and don't moisture it. So thanks for watching today.